Hello everyone, Jonathan Lee here with Keller Williams Portfolio, and welcome to Unit 210 at 1 Ruttan Street, the Brownstones on Bloor. This is a very functional 1,110 square foot, 2-bedroom plus loft and 1.5 bathroom stacked condominium townhouse with a rooftop terrace. This property is very centrally and conveniently located at Bloor and Symington, right by Dundas West TTC station and Bloor GO station. There are so many great things about living in this neighborhood, but before I get into that, let's go through the unit.
남은 날들을 너와 함께 하고 싶어 마치 꿈만 같은 걸 이제 나 혼자가 아닌 너와 함께 하는 거야 홀로 왜 이제서야 많이 외롭던 나를 찾아온 거야 홀로 너를 사랑해 이제 모든 시간들을 나와
The Brownstones on Bloor is a family-friendly, pet-friendly community and features 85 units. The common elements include this green space, some green space for pets, visitor parking, and an outdoor swimming pool. Location-wise, it doesn't get much better than this. The unit being in the interior means you're shielded from all the noise of Bloor Street, but are a short walking distance to the UP Express, taking you to the airport or to Union Station within minutes. You're a short 5-minute walk away to Dundas West TTC Station, 2 grocery stores in Freshco and Loblaws, the LCBO, coffee shops and restaurants, and the West Toronto Rail Path, which provides an amazing 2-kilometer trail that makes for a great place to take walks, go for bike rides or runs, or to just walk the dog. Just to the south of the community, a short walk away on Sterling Road, you have some fantastic attractions, including the Museum of Contemporary Art, Ethica Coffee Roasters, Henderson's Brewing Company, and Spaccio by Tironi, which will be opening up this summer and will feature a patio, a restaurant, and grocery items. Come see this unit before it's too late. For a private showing, you can call or text me, Jonathan Lee, at 647-983-0770, or send me an email at johnleerealestate@gmail.com. I'll see you guys soon.